And the other technique that you should use while you're going to seller appointments and everything is thinking about working together. All right. Don't look at it as you are negotiating against them. Look at it as you two are working together to come up with different options for them to be able to take in order to sell their home. If you guys are working together, you don't have to negotiate. You understand? It gets to a point where you guys are trying to figure out the best course for them, and you're doing this together. And whatever that amounts to is what it amounts to. I've gotten deals on the contract that they wanted 140 and we got it for 70. You understand? And they were so happy that we were able to do the deal with them. And that was literally half of what they actually wanted. You understand? Because we actually started working together and we started figuring out like what I do a lot on my seller appointments is educate them. I'm educating them. I'm walking as I walk through the property, I'm showing them like, yeah, if you were to try to list it, this would be a problem. You have foundation issues, so it won't qualify for traditional financing, or you have this, or this needs to be updated, or this needs to be fixed. These things need to be changed. This is really old. This is out of, it's no longer passing code. Like I start educating them and showing them what are these things because a lot of people they don't understand. This is not their business. So you're trying to help them out. You're getting on their side and showing them, like, look, if you were to list, these are the things that you need to keep in mind. You have no idea how many times they're so grateful that we were there to educate them and help them out. They're like, I didn't know. I didn't know that was even a thing. And when I always hear people, they say, they're like, yeah, but they have an offer. They say my offer was way too low. It's like, well, your offer should be at what it needs to be, right? Which is what that house needs to sell at in the conditions that it's in. It couldn't have been way too low. If it's way too low, it's because they want way too much and they don't understand that their house is not worth that. So you need to work together. You need to get on the same side of the table, come to a solution together, show them, educate them, help them understand why it is that their home is not worth that. Because all they're gonna do if you guys are that far off, they're just gonna be spinning their wheels and wasting time and getting more frustrated because they're not able to get this imaginary number that is not actually real, right? It's not accurate. So it's your job to make sure that you help them and you help them understand, educate them, and walk them through the process.